In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Xender, which is a file transfer utility app, directly on your computer. Whether you're trying to share files between your phone and your PC, or you simply want a fast and easy way to transfer data across devices, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, turn on your computer or laptop and make sure you're connected to the internet. For this tutorial, I'm using a Windows computer, so go ahead and look at the bottom of your screen and click on the Microsoft Store icon. Once the Microsoft Store opens, make sure you're signed in with your Microsoft account, because this is required to download apps. Next, move your cursor to the search bar inside the Microsoft Store and click on it. Type Xender and press Enter. You should now see the Xender app appear in the search results. Click on it to open the app page, where you'll find more details about what it does and how it works. Once you're ready, click the Install button and wait for the download to complete. After that, the installation will start automatically, and once it's finished, you'll be able to open Xender from your desktop or Start menu and begin sharing files between your computer and other devices without any interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to download and use Xender on your computer easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.